Yo, what's up from Las Vegas SEMA show?
Green means go, not yellow. Release the beast, catch the flow. Green means go, not yellow. Release the beast, catch the flow. Lose control, go high, go low. Release the
That crazy place. I think not all content is legal on this channel, right? Look at this. I wouldn't say that this is beauty, but it's like a kind of taste. Everybody is different. I would say that the name ruined this very fits very well to this car, but it's just my opinion. Not everything is, or I think that very small part so far what we've seen is related with the electric cars, but I hope to see more. This looks kind of cool. I think those rims fits quite well on it. Look, it's really monster. Nice. I don't know, guys, should I show you everything or just what's related to electric cars? Mamma mia. Look at the size of this truck. I am 191. Mamma mia. Yeah, definitely it could be road legal in Norway. This even more higher. I believe that people who lives in the United States is nothing interesting for them, or not interesting, but nothing that they haven't seen before. But me, simple European guy, I never seen that kind of shit before. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Is it like this, that you have to carry your own ladders to get inside the car? And then the question, where you put your ladders when you are in the car? Or do you need a ramp? Or do you actually need a ramp to get in and out of the car? Oh shit. This is crazy. This is a little bit more interesting for us because it seems that there is some tools and a Hunter. We just 2 or 3 weeks ago installed the Hunter wheel alignment machine. So I think that Rickard has some questions to them. Why it's not working so well as we expected. I think this is going to be a very good machine for Norway's market, where the discs rust so much because they don't use it. But to be open, I'm a little bit afraid to use machines like this because from my experience before, they never work well. You have big vibrations softer, and discs are not so, like, don't have a good surface anymore after what is in grinding, or how it's called in English. Yeah, we have bought machine like this for wheel alignment.
What is it? Oh, it's a lift.
But so far we are not so happy with it. Maybe we should talk with the professionals and ask what we're doing wrong, maybe.
And it locks in just as well the second time as it did the first time. I'm locked in tight. Somebody tell me another extractor that can do that, where you can put it in and then take it out and put it back in and get that kind of a bite. So now that we have gotten it out, it's coming out, it's a good day. Out comes our broken bolt.
What we actually need in Elbilmek is like, I don't know how it's called, parking lifters. It could triple our parking capacity. Tools all over the place. Electric hammer. I said many exhibitors using electric cars for exhibitioning. I don't know why. By 4. Another Tibber truck. I think black looks quite cool too. It's not test drive, but what the heck? It's okay on another side. Tesla. It's a strange model of Hummer. What? That's really, really rare. This is probably a woman driving this car. It's pink. I think Marcus would like. I think he loves Fiat 500. I think that Las Vegas is very has a lot of similarities to the Dubai. It has this Las Vegas, what's it, monorail, which goes around, and it's built in the middle of desert, and it has a lot of how to say, build on money, and I don't know what to add more. I'm not a fan of this. Remember movie Gone in 60 Seconds? This is the car. It was called Eleanor, right? Shelby GT 500.
Get your phones out.
This is not electric car at all. Guy says that this is for suspension and
Right in front of you.
it says for suspension and music. All those 12-volt batteries.
Spencer.
We are in the same building where is Texas, or Texas, Vegas Loop. Let's go and check. Anne? Cool. So they asked, or they said that we can ask for the trip, so it means that we will go around. No, for us it's like a movie, we never seen this before. We came from Norway, just to see
All the
this.
way from Norway to see this? Nah.
No, we came to SEMA show, but we didn't knew that it's like a Las Vegas, what is called, loop
Yes.
inside the center.
Vegas Loop.
Vegas
Like
loop.
this.
Nice. You need ventilation in this pipe or no?
No, no ventilation. Only air condition. In the car.
Nice. And you work like this, it works like 24 hours, or it's like
No,
just open?
only during convention time.
Ah, okay. And it was 80 Teslas, right? Like in this loop?
Oh, right now we probably have 50.
50.
But in the warehouse we have 120.
Wow. So the driver explained that he cannot, yeah, for free. The driver explained that he cannot take us on the loop. So we had to, if we want to go back to the same location, we have to go to the west and then change the car again and go to some other place. Like if you want to go exactly at the same location where we left. But this is like another side of this building, so it's, yeah, it's no problem. So how it looks on the map actually. We are here. And we started here, I think. Maybe we went here. I don't know where we went. It was a little bit bumpy and there was not so much air inside the car. But of course it can be regulated. Driver said there is no ventilation in those tunnels. Look, it's not even Tesla. Yeah, beautiful headlights. Nice rims. Lithium boy.
Like to take the time to love your body.
Green means go, not yellow. Release the beast, catch the flow. Green means go, not yellow. Release the beast, catch the flow. Lose control, go high, go low. Release the beast, catch the flow. Catch the flow. flow.